So there we go, guys, that is the finished result. What do you think? That is the butterfly haircut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for being here. So on today's video, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be doing the butterfly haircut. Still a big salon winner and a social media search explosion. People are still searching for this haircut. I'm going to give you a really cool salon version, but also a way for you to understand in compressed cutting. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a horseshoe section through the top just to isolate this top piece, and then I'm going to go from ear to ear. And similar to the ponytail haircuts, because everybody loves the quickness of it, I want to be able to show you this really, really quickly. So I'm going to be over directing this forward. I want it to fall around about the neck, so it's just like really floaty. And then we're going to pull this back out. We're going to cut that. We're going to pull the front forward, and this will be the guide. I'm going to cut that. I'll dry it, style it, and you're going to see a butterfly haircut in minutes. But as a professional, rather than using ponytails, I love using ponytails. But people are obviously, oh, it's not professional, you're showing people how to do it at home. I'm literally not. I'm showing people how simple it is to break down a haircut into sections to create a look. So this is basically going to be as if there was ponytails in there, but every section is going to be taken perfectly. There's not really any bunching from the ponytails. This is going to be, all right. So I'm going to get this sectioned off. Pintail comb is so easy to section with. We're going to go in there and we're just going to come below the crown. I'm going to put my finger at the back as a point of reference, just so it is easy to link up. Because did you know, fun fact, even if you close your eyes, your fingers still meet. There you go. Your brain is connected. So there's that. Let's lift that hair up. Recession, recession. So I'm going to go to there where that finger is. Straight round. Here we go. So, bumping this out of the way. You need to get you out of the way. Now we're getting into it. So, compound cutting. We could section this into bits. Compound cutting is there for a reason. And the reason for today that we're using it is to create a lot of sort of like hardness and texture within this haircut. So, we want this to fall to the neck, which is there. And this is being pulled straight forward, like that. So there. And there we go. Central back, and we're going to pull all this out. So the guide I've taken from this side, I can see it there. And we're pulling it out straight to the side. So there it is, popping out that top there. I'm standing there so you can see how we pulled that out. So let's just clip out that front. We don't need it. We've just taken our guide and out to the side. And because we are bringing it to 90 degrees and we're pushing it forwards, means we're going to maintain a lot of length here, but we're going to get shortness towards the front. You want to see the guide, and because I'm working behind here now, because I'm trying to show you, might be a little bit hard. There's the guide. Just come to it here. So the guide is just there. And I know you're going to kill me because I'm wearing a black top. I was working on blonde mannequin heads earlier. Hello.
Are you alright?
Here's my sister.
Can you see my butterfly haircut? Okay.
Yep.
That's it.
Cool.
Like and subscribe.
Right, back to it. So, we've cut the front, pulled forward, used a piece of that as our guide. Now as we're pulled to the side, you can see. Again, sorry I'm wearing black, but that line is so blunt. And I'll show you. So this is compound cutting. This is a technique that we use in salon when I create this. Which is why when I talk about ponytail haircuts and cutting it off in one, it is a technique. It's a compound haircut. It's just not seen as professional. And I would never cut someone's hair in the salon with a ponytail, but it's just a great way of being able to see it instantly. But I might start doing these compound haircuts if I can. Let's go to the top. So what we'll do with the top now is basically detangle, and we want to over direct it all forward. And we've got two guides for this. And we know they're perfect because we've used them as a guide earlier. And our guide comes from here, and our other guide comes from there. So we find the guides, which are just there, pull forward, see, just let that side drop so I can move my knuckles up a bit. Same position, cutting to our guide. Now what that will create, when we've done it in the past, we pull the hair forward, create shape around the face. It's going to do exactly that. We pull from the back to the front, which means the back is going to be longer. Products I'm using today: 5 pumps, Dream Blowout. So this is a heat protector by Joyco, cream. Also speeds up the drying process with its active ingredients. I'm going to be using Blonde Life oil, and then to finish, once I've blow dried and sort of give it some movement, beach shake. It's like it smells like Play-Doh, but it's like an oil-based texturizer spray. Absolutely lovely. So there's our Dream Blowout in there. 1, 2, 3 of Blonde Life. Blonde Life is a thick oil, but these mannequin heads can take it because they're very, very processed. Let's take it out. Let's give it a little shake. Get our beach shake. There we go, guys, that is the finished result. What do you think? That is the butterfly haircut. Make sure you check out this video for another big trend. I'll see you in the next video.